for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. Sing along, let's learn like that. D is for diamond, diamond. E is for eagle, eagle. F is for fairy, fairy. Come on now, don't you stop. A, B, C, D, sing with me. E, F, G, happy as can be. H, I, J, K, learning all the way. L, M, N. Now what comes next? G is for giraffe, giraffe. H is for house, house. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for juice, juice. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for moon, moon. N is for net, net. A, B, C, D, sing with me. E, F, G, happy as can be. H, I, J, K, learning all the way. L, M, N. Now what comes next? O is for owl, owl. P is for panda, panda. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rainbow, rainbow. S is for star, star. T is for tree, tree. U is for unicorn, unicorn. V is for van, van. A, B, C, D, sing with me. E, F, G, happy as can be. H, I, J, K, learning all the way. L, M, N. Now what comes next? W is for wolf, wolf. X is for X-ray, X-ray. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zoo, zoo. A, B, C, D, now we know. E, F, G, letters show. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we've learned our ABCs. Sing again and jump with me.
Hey, 1, 2, 3, hey! Yes! Hey! Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4!
A is for apple, juicy and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat, who purrs all day. D is for dog, who loves to play. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims away. G is for goat that climbs so high. H is for hat, right up to the sky. I is for ice cream, cold and nice. J is for jump, as high as the kite. K is for kite that flies so free. L is for lion, fierce as can be. M is for moon that shines so bright. N is for nest, bird snuggle at night. O is for owl, who hoots with glee. P is for pizza, yummy for me. Q is for queen with the royal crown. R is for rainbow, colors all around. S is for sun, so warm and bright. T is for train, choo-choo, what a sight. U is for umbrella, up when it's wet. V is for violin, we won't forget. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone, play it with glee. Y is for yacht, sailing away. Z is for zebra, stripes all day. Now we've sung the ABC. Thanks for singing along with me. We've sung our ABCs. Thanks for joining me. Now you know them, 1, 2, 3. Sing again so happily.
hippo, splash and sigh. I is for iguana, look at him crawl. J is for jellyfish, no bones at all. K is for kangaroo, bounce, bounce, bounce. L is for lion, hear him pounce. N is for narwhal, swimming with a horn. O is for owl, hoots till morn. P is for penguin, waddles in snow. Q is for quail, quick to go. R is for rabbit, hop, hop, hop. S is for snake, wiggle and stop. T is for turtle, slow and sweet. U is for urchin with speaky feet. V is for vulture, flying high. W is for whale, splashes the sky. X is for x-ray, fish glowing bright. Y is for yak, furry and white. Z is for zebra, stripy and neat. Now we've learned from A to Z, so many animals wild and free. Clap
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Take it a little faster. Are you ready? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A is for apple, A apple. B is for ball, B ball. C is for cat, C cat. D is for dog, D dog. E is for elephant, E elephant. F is for fish, F fish. G is for goat, G goat. H is for hat, H hat. I is for igloo, I igloo. J is for jam, J jam. K is for kite, K kite. L is for lion, L lion. M is for monkey, M monkey. N is for nest, N nest. O is for owl, O owl. P is for panda, P panda. Q is for queen, Q queen. R is for rabbit, R rabbit. S is for sun, S sun. T is for train, T train. U is for umbrella, U umbrella. is for whale, double whale. X is for X-ray, X-ray. Y is for yo-yo, Y yo-yo. Z is for zebra, Z zebra.
A for apple. A for apple. B for banana. B for banana.
C for cat,
C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for egg. E for egg. F for fish. F for fish.
G for gate,
G for gate.
H for hat,
H for hat.
I for igloo, I for igloo. J for jelly, J for jelly.
K for kite. K for kite.
L for lemon,
L for lemon.
M for monkey,
M for monkey.
N for net,
N for net.
O for orange,
O for orange.
P for pear,
P for pear.
Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rabbit.
S for strawberry. S for strawberry.
T for tiger,
T for tiger.
U for umbrella,
U for umbrella.
V for van,
V for van.
W for whale,
W for whale.
X for x-ray,
X for x-ray.
Y for yo-yo,
Y for yo-yo.
Z for zebra,
Z for zebra.
A is for apple, so shiny and red. B is for bed, where you lay your head. C is for cat, with a soft purring sound. D is for dog, always running around. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming all day. G is for guitar, strumming a tune. H is for hat, under the moon. I is for igloo, made out of snow. J is for jar, where cookies go. K is for kite, flying up high. L is for lion, king of the jungle. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest with baby birds. O is for octopus under the sea. P is for parrot, talking with glee. Q is for queen with the royal crown. R is for rainbow, colors all around. S is for star, twinkling bright. T is for train, chugging through the night. U is for umbrella, for rainy days. V is for violin, that music plays. W is for whale, big in the sea. X is for xylophone, played happily. Y is for yo-yo, going up and down. Z is for zebra, with stripes all around. Now we've sung our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
take it a little faster. Are you ready? Let's go.